So let me know if this sounds like you at all. Usually, we talk to two different kinds of business owners. There are the business owners who fall into the first category of where they're kind of wearing all of the hats, doing all the things. And when it comes to the financial health of the business, they are usually worried that they're not thinking about something, that they forgot to do something, that there's a task not being done that should be getting done. And then there's the second group of business owners who maybe have somebody, an employee or a contractor, doing some of the financial tasks, but they're not quite sure how they should be keeping track of those tasks, if they should be checking them, auditing, not checking them, or what their new role should be now that they have somebody maybe paying the bills or doing the bookkeeping, something like that. So in today's video, we are going to walk through what it means to be the CFO of your business, what that looks like, what you should be doing, and I have 7 really easy functions that you should be doing as a CFO of your small business. So let's go ahead and get started. But first, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Katrina. My business partner Cheryl and I run and own Empowered to Profit, where we work with small business owners just like you to help teach them how to put more of their business profit into their personal pocket. Because if you're not making any money from your small business, is really all of this hard work and effort really worth it? So let's hop into today's video and see what a CFO should really be doing in the financial functions of your small business. So we've said it over and over, time and time again in our channel, in our Facebook group, with our clients. If you own a small business, you need to be treating your business for what it is. It's a small business. What it is not is a side hustle. Now, if you do have a side hustle, that is amazing and more power to you. But if you are trying to run and grow a small business, you need to be the CFO of your business. So I first want to articulate and define a little bit of what the CFO does and what some of those functions look like. So if you are the CFO of your business, that means you are taking ownership of all of the financial aspects of that business. This doesn't necessarily mean doing all of those small tasks, but it means you are managing it. You are the director. You are the oversight. You are the checkpoint for all of these functions. So today we are going to discuss these 7 tasks that you can do as a CFO of your business. And if you follow these 7 functions, it will make your life run a lot more efficiently, a lot less stressful, and it will take a lot of pressure off of you because you'll know exactly what you should be doing as a CFO. Okay, so first thing, you are planning the money in your business. So what that means, real life terms, an action item that you can be doing is you are figuring out how to manage the company's money in a way that helps it grow and for it to reach the goals. So this might look like doing the bookkeeping, creating a budget, forecasting revenue, forecasting expenses, all of the things that means planning the money in your business. This would fall under a function that you should be doing. The second function that you should be doing as a CFO is reporting and studying the finances of the business. So I'm going to hope and pray that you are doing your bookkeeping in some kind of software. So whether that be a QuickBooks, a FreshBooks, Xero, whatever it looks like for you, you need to be doing the bookkeeping and managing the bookkeeping, making sure it's done every month, and then looking at those financial reports and being able to read them and understand them. The third thing that you should be doing is keeping track of cash flow in the business. So you need to watch how the money is moving into your business and out of your business. A really easy way to do this, if you're not sure how to set that up, is we have a CEO dashboard that comes with the dashboard that we actually use with our clients. And you basically build out your budget and then plug in your numbers from your P&L to make sure you're staying on budget. And then it makes it super easy to identify the red flags in your business and see if it varies from month to month or year to year. The fourth thing that you should be doing is spotting the risks in your business. This means you should be able to look at that data and see if anything is amiss or if anything is tracking and coming down the pipeline that should put you or your business at risk or in any sense of danger in terms of the finances. The fifth thing that you should be doing, or the fifth function that you should be doing as a CFO of your business, is following financial rules, regulations, and taxes, that you need to make sure that your company is following all of the financial rules and laws to stay out of trouble. The easiest and most efficient way to do this is to make sure you are working with a tax accountant or an EA, which is a certified enrolled agent who knows tax law. So, what that looks like is you should be able to meet with your CPA, your tax accountant, your EA on a regular basis and ask questions and be able to have them explain to you so you can understand what is going on, what all the things are that you should be taking care of. If you're meeting with a tax accountant who makes you feel ill-equipped, if they don't like you to ask questions, or if they take 3 months to get back to an email or phone call, this might not be the best fit for you. The sixth function that you should be doing is checking how well things are going in your finances. This means you are keeping an eye on how well the company is doing financially using special measurements. A common one right now is using the KPI reports. So you look at key performance indicators in your business and how well are they doing. This makes it really easy to identify where the strong revenues are coming from in your business, giving you data so that you can nail down and dig into a little bit deeper of how are you making the biggest chunk of your money and how you can be doing more of that. The seventh function I call leading the money. What that means is that you are the oversight of all of the financial functions. Maybe right now in your business, you are the only person doing any of that, but hopefully your business will grow to a place where you have people helping you, whether it's on your team or contractors. Like we said earlier, maybe somebody's paying your bills, sending out invoices, doing the bookkeeping. You need to be able to be the point where you have a meeting, whether it's quarterly or monthly, however it flows best in your meeting, that you are be able to be reported to and then give out action items if something needs to be addressed. So that means you need to be familiar enough with what's going on in the business that when you have those meetings, you are leading the money. You are the point person to be able to give thumbs up or pivot points for your team members. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope those 7 functions are really helpful for you to be able to identify and know with confidence that you are taking the CFO role seriously and implementing things that you can do in your business to make it a lot less stressful and a lot less guesswork of what you should be doing. If any of this seems helpful, we actually have a really good toolbox for business owners that you can purchase that includes the dashboards, some SOPs, teach you how to price your products and your items. So if this sounds like that would be helpful, let us know. We'll be more than happy to get you guys the link. But I hope you have a great rest of your week. And as always, cheers to profit.